Okay, hello. For the next lesson is how to add the sound. It's like a back sound or back songs, and the sound effect if we collect the coins, if we collect the heart, or if we throw something, or when the enemy die, or collect the key, just like that. Okay, can add the sound effect in every object you want. Okay, so first we're gonna add the back song. So it's just like if you start the game, the song will be play. Okay, first going to the players behaviors. Okay, then create new bundle for the good maintenance and developing. Change the label to be sound or something. You can open the bundle. Then first you need the sound effect is in components, and then you need a trigger. The trigger is when the sound effect should be play. Okay, the trigger is once it will be active after we start the game. Okay, like this. Okay, first for the sound effect, you need to careful about the sound because I think it's so sangat kencang suaranya, jadi suaranya sangat kencang. Jadi saya sarankan jangan menggunakan headphone or headset. Okay, don't use it. Okay, then you can click the sound effect, and then you can choose the sound here, or can set the volume. Okay, you can adjust the volume. Okay, and then you can choose the sound. Okay, I'll get the music. It's up to you ya guys ya. Okay, you can hear the sound. Okay, be careful about the high sound. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, let's use this adventure song. Okay, oh, okay, be careful about the high sound. Okay, can adjust the volume here. Okay, you can try to play your game. Okay, now you can hear the sound. Okay, hear the music. Okay, it's a good song. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so the song it's up to you ya guys ya. Okay, you can explore about the song, what do you want about the song. Okay, that's it for the back sound or the back song. Okay, and next we'll add the sound effect when we collect the if we collect the coins and collect the heart. Okay, first the heart. Okay, you can edit the heart behaviors. Okay, this is the trigger, and then add the sound effect here. Okay, then put it here. Okay, and be careful about the high sound. Okay, high volume. You can choose the effect. Oh, okay, this one. Okay, you can try. You can hear. Okay, you can hear the sound. Okay, just like a tick, like this. Okay, for the development you can clone this one here. It's just for development. Okay, okay, so after you collect the herd, you will be get a sound effect like this. Okay, okay, and then the next is the coins. Just do the same. Okay, so where is the sound effect should be? It's just after the collision. Okay, can put the sound effect here. Okay, after the collision. Okay, careful about the high volume. Okay, this one. Okay, just try it. Okay, okay, for the development, it's just development only. Okay, you can delete this object and clone the coin. It's just only for the development and applicate in your game. Okay, 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 we have the sound effect. Okay, I think we need to change the background sound. Oh, okay, I think it's good. Okay, adjust the volume. Okay, you can modify about the song. Okay, it's up to you. You can search which one do you like. Okay, okay, we have the sound effect for the coins and herd, and then if next is if we throw the object, if we throw something. Okay, you can going to players behavior and going to the shoot bundle. Okay, this one. So if we press the S button, it will be throw an object and then play a sound effect. Okay, you need to put the sound effect here. Okay, and then choose the sound. Okay, careful guys. Yeah, okay, this one I think it's good. Now you can hear the voice, right? You can hear the sound effect. Okay, okay guys, I think it's enough. You can explore again about the sound effect. Okay, and it's enough for this lesson. Okay, see you guys, bye.